hard to see. Tell me how it all falls so magically. Got my pen, found a beat. I create something so organically. Is it the same? Could it be how we all move energetically? How did I get here? Where am I going? Was that the right move? Gotta keep going, 'cause time keeps flowing. And every moment I gotta own it. Gotta keep growing. The colors, look at the ocean. Cherish the moon, keep the sun in focus. Wonder how it all stays in motion. What's the energy that keeps it going? Is it the same beat that my heart thumps in? Same energy I charge my phone with. Just where my mind goes in quiet moments. Probably 'cause I really need to know what makes me go round and 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 round Gravity, grabbing me, pulling me all the way down to my feet. Suddenly, I can bring all I want into my reality. All I need is some peace and some time exploring who I'll be. Got a feeling where the path is gonna lead. Somehow I'll get everything I need. There's gotta be something guiding me. Somewhere my dreams have only seen. It's got an eye behind the scenes. Has me in orbit by its ring. And it's pulling me. Don't know all the directions, but I gotta reach light. Show me something alive. That is more than a feeling, more than a moment. Anytime I look at the sky, I see signs. I know you're right. I know you're right. I wish that I could float up to the ethers in a boat. Oh, I just wanna crack the ghost so I can really get to know you. See you when you find a form in the eye of every storm at your center at the